firm is one of the oldest firms in the country. It's started in the 1970s, Aziz Tayob Architects. It's based in Pretoria. We've been doing work all over the country. Projects range from the smallest to the largest projects. Our first license was in 1996. It took about 2 years for me to introduce it to the practice, and then in 1998 we stopped using all other software and just stuck to ArchiCAD.
We're standing here at the cosmetic warehouse and factory in Sunderland Ridge. This building has an office component, a warehouse component, as well as a manufacturing component.
The warehouse itself is the highest racked warehouse in the country.
We as EDS have been responsible for all the structural and civil works on this warehouse, from foundations to roof.
If you don't have BIMX, you're kind of missing the whole 3D view of what you're building. We had sessions, we had our internal meetings where we had sessions and projector, and we used the BIMX model. We basically, for all the foremen involved, view the whole project, went around the building, checked the coordination, checked things.
We find that the ArchiCAD IFC files, it works very nicely with our stuff.
We've seen great value in the regular updates that we get from ArchiCAD. It's not just cosmetic upgrades, but it's actually upgrades that improves the way we work and develop our design and drawings.
The other favorite feature of mine is teamwork in ArchiCAD. I find that to be a very important feature, especially for a practice such as ours, a small practice. It allows all of us to work on the same project at the same time.
The first time I've been involved working with Aziz Tayob Architects, and we had such a good relationship, and the information flow was great. They obviously did the coordination, design coordination that I think worked out well. And with the BIMX model, I think everything came together quite nice.
We've had a good relationship with Graphisoft and ArchiCAD in South Africa. From early on, if there was any problems, we could just give them a call. Even a few times we had the guys from Hungary coming to our office just to see us, and there was a nice feel. You feel part of the family. It might be a small package, but it's got a lot of dynamite in it.
But ArchiCAD, it's some play, it makes things faster. You can actually see what you're doing while you're drawing at the same time.
The IFC files we've been receiving from Anif has been great. We've had no problems, and I look forward to working with them again in the future.
I find also, if I look at the improvements over the years in ArchiCAD, it definitely is adapting to this fast-paced world of ours, and we're quite comfortable that it's the vehicle to be on.